Hello and welcome to HTML5 course. This is tutorial number 13 of our HTML5 course. In this tutorial, we will discuss HTML links. We have four parts of links in HTML5. Number one is linking to other pages on the same site. If you have a website and you want the user to move from one page to another page on the same site, you can do that with the help of HTML links. Number second is linking to other websites. And if you want the user to move from one website to another website, you can also do that with the help of HTML links. Number third is email link. If you want the user to send an email with the help of a simple link, that could be done with the help of HTML links. Number fourth and last is opening image as a link. If you have an image in your website and you want the user to open it with the help of a simple link, that you could also do with the help of HTML links. Now, what tags and attributes we will be using for links? The main tag is anchor tag, that is a tag, which we will use for links. Inside the anchor tag, we will use href attributes, target attribute, and title attribute inside the anchor tag. Okay. Now, why we use these attributes I will show you in this tutorial, and we will begin with the first part. This is linking to other pages on the same site. Now, before starting, I have put all the codes inside a folder with the name codes on desktop. You can see it is on desktop, so you do that too. I have put all the codes here, okay, and I have saved this file as links.html. It is here too, okay, and all other codes are here too, okay. Now let's start with our code. Just give a heading first, HTML tutorial. Save it, come to the folder. Now run it. This is the file that we are working now. So now let's begin with the first part, that is linking to other pages on the same site. First, write the a tag. Okay, you have to search here. You can do that without this too. Wait. Okay, it's here now. Just select it. Now this is the main tag, okay, closing tag and opening tag. What you have to give inside the href attribute, you have to give a path, the destination of the file that you are using, as we have saved all the codes inside the same folder, so you don't have to give a long path. Just write the file name. Here I'm using the list file for the first link. I will give just list, the name, file name list.html. This is important, okay, because all the files are HTML file, so you have to give the extension with .html. Here write lists of, just write list. Save it. The list is just a text, okay. Save it. Now come to browser and refresh it. You can see it's here now. Just click on it. Can you see it's working? I just clicked on the name, the link, the list that we made in previous tutorial is here now. But did you notice one thing? As I click on the list, it's opening on the same page. It's a new tab is not opening. So if you want to open the information in a new tab, that you can do in this links with the help of a new attribute. See, if a new tab is not opening, just write here another attribute, that is target. The target will have two values. Number one is parent, the other one is blank. The parent is the default value, that is to open the link on the same tab. So if you want to open the link on a different tab, a new tab, you can do that. Just give a value underscore blank. Okay, save it now and refresh it. Open it. Can you see a new tab opened? As I click on it, a new tab will open. it's not opening on the same tab. So this is how you can do this with the help of the target attribute. Now I will open some more pages and just give the br, so it will start from a new line. A what other files do we have here? We have table and index. I will open table2.html, target blank table, br tag, so for a new line, another anchor tag, index, another page, index.html, okay, target blank, index page, save it, come to the browser, just refresh it. Now we have three links. If I open the table will be open in a new tab because we gave the value to the target attribute as blank. If index page, this is the index page, just refresh it, open list, see all the links are opening in a new tab. So what is the other value that we can give to the target? That is the default value, but you can give it parent, save it, refresh it. Okay, for the list link we give the value parent. Now if you're opening it, it will be open on the same tab, but this is the default value. I will change it to blank again, save it, refresh it. Now refresh it, list, it's opening on a new tab now. So it's always a good practice to give the value as blank, so your website will be open on the same tab, and new information will be open in a new tab. Okay, so this is always a good practice to give the value blank. So this is it for the first part. We did the linking to other pages on the same side. In the next upcoming part of the links, the upcoming tutorial, we will do linking to other websites. Before this, subscribe our channel of One Robotic Team and press the bell icon so you won't miss any update. Thank you so much.